Hey guys, good morning. This is all here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, I'll talk about room and error in room. Whenever you place the particular room in the plan and you face the problem, as you can see on the screen. So, whenever you face this kind of problem, you won't able to assign particular room and Revit. Shows this kind of error as you can see on the screen. So how you guys can solve this kind of error, I'll talk about that in this video. So keep watching till end to understand better. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have one floor plan and I'll assign the room. So for that, I'll use the shortcut RM. So यहाँ पे room का command जो है वो activate हो गया है. Now, whenever we assign the room, so as you can see, Revit यहाँ पे जो particular whole area है, उसका पूरा room जो है वो यहाँ पे boundary create कर रहा है. सो यहाँ पे रैबिट जो है वो पर्टिकुलर रूम वाइज बाउंड्री क्रिएट नहीं कर रहा है. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ एरर यू usually face in the Revit. So how you guys can resolve this issue? So let me show you the solution. So here the computation height will come into the picture. So for that, let me cut one section over here to see the labels. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम section cut करेंगे. So यहाँ से हमने एक सिंपल सेक्शन कट कर लिया है. Now let me flip this and now here we'll go to section view. Okay, now here as you can see we have level 1 and we have level 2. Okay, so the reason of not assigning room in the Revit, that is यहाँ पे हमारे जो levels रहते हैं यहाँ पे हमारे पास computation height का पैरामीटर रहता है जो यहाँ पे currently for the level 2 0 है. But somehow और कुछ भी बाय मिस्टेक आपने यहाँ पे या तो बाय डिफॉल्ट कोई भी यहाँ पे वैल्यू अलग है तो वो एरर शो करता है. तो देन हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इश्यू. सो फॉर दैट यहाँ पे हमारे पास हम लेवल 1 में रूम असाइन कर रहे थे एंड हियर इन द लेवल 1 इफ वी सेलेक्ट दिस लेवल यहाँ पे हमारे पास कंप्यूटेशन हाइट है वहाँ पे 12 फीट वैल्यू है. सो यहाँ पे हम सिंपल उसको 0 पुट कर देंगे. And let me show you in the plan. Now let's go to level 1. Okay, now here as you can see, if we assign the room again, now as you can see simply we are able to give the room in the Revit easily. So this is the solution of this kind of error. So I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you understood all the process of solving this issue. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.